I just spent a couple days in Bangkok just getting back on track, and now I'm on the bus headed south to Hua Hin. I paid $13.65 for my bus ticket. It's a little under 3 hours to get there, and I booked it on 12 to go, and I can put that app name below for you to see. And I wanted to check it out because Hua Hin has been a pretty hot retirement area. So I went down there for a few days, and this video I'm going to take you on one of the tours that I went on during my stay there. And after I leave there, we will be heading to Chiang Mai. I booked this tour through Viator. It was $58 US, and I've used them quite a bit. I've been pretty happy with the ones that I've chosen. Our first stop was at Wat Tham Khao Toi, and it's actually a Chinese and Thai god temple that overlooks the bay. It was very beautiful. There's both heavy Thai and Chinese influence in this area of Hua Hin, so that was pretty interesting to learn. Look at that view. Our next stop was Rajabhakti Park. I'll link it below because I'm sure I didn't say it correctly. And it was a historical park that was actually built to honor the past monarchs. They stand 45 feet or 14 meters high. It's pretty impressive. And this park was built to honor the 7 most important kings of Thailand. Oh. You're a scrappy little one. He started chasing you when you walked by it.
They're not slow at picking up on what they can nick off you.
Obviously, yeah. Our next stop was at Khao Hin Lek Phai Viewpoint, and I will link all of these below since I know I'm not saying them correctly. You really got to watch out for the monkeys. They are everywhere here, and they actually turned the sprinklers on while we were there, so they all went running towards the water. I couldn't get any viewpoint video because it was so smoky when I was there. You just couldn't see anything. Our fourth and final stop was at the Artist Village in Hua Hin. What a unique little place. I'm not a big artsy person, but this was really cool. And this nano art section is all like electrical pieces that you will use to build things that have just been created into these massive, I don't even know how to describe it, art display with just characters, and most of them are like little mice and buildings and trees and different types of automobiles, and it's just really, really unique. Am I in your way? I can't.
No.
It was really such a challenge to just capture the level of detail in this with my camera. After this, we went and we had a quick lunch. That was not included in the $58. But what a great 4 little stops for the price. I mean, they pick you up and drop you off at your hotel and take you everywhere. And if there was any entrance fees to everything, it was included in that $58. So I think it was a great value for the money. And my favorite was the art museum. I wanted to be sure and mention that I did get my teeth cleaned while I was here, and I used the GBT option, which was a guided biofilm therapy, and I will put a link about that in the description below if you want to see how that's done. It's an amazing tooth cleaning experience. Lots of monkeys in Hua Hin, even in the middle of town. I had a good time in Hua Hin. I'm not sure if I would go back and visit or not. It doesn't have the same draw for me that Chiang Mai does. And talking about Chiang Mai, that's where we're headed right now. So we are at the airport and on our way to Chiang Mai for a couple weeks. Have a great day, everyone.